magtatakutan na tayo.
What happened? Ba't nandun yung pangalan?
May nakakatakot, nandito si Lilith.
Ay!
Di ba?
Ay, wow! Wow, ah!
Nakakatatot. You're so What happened? Ba't nandun yung pangalan ko?
Saan?
Yung may nagmula.
Ulit-ulitin mo pa. Diyos ko, awa na lang talaga.
Pasensya. Mamaya na lang sa Discord. Sorry.
Wag na, te. Move on na nga tayo, inuulit pa. Ay, sino yan, ate?
Sino yan eh?
Sino yan, ate?
Wala yun, kaibigan ko yun.
What does that mean? Where's that sound?
Ano ba yan? Nagpakabangga pa kayo.
The Curse. Parang first time ko ba tong lalaroin? Hindi ata to first time. Hi,
It gets
Nicola.
worse every night.
Pero may napanood ako dito sa TikTok yung may karaoke X horror challenge. Like, why do birds suddenly appears? Ay, Sil, yung question mo pala kanina, yeah, I know that horror movie sa sa TikTok. Ay, sa Netflix. Yeah.
Go to the kitchen daw.
Where is the kitchen? Why do birds sa ate, what is that? Roblox po.
Feel ko, te. Ikaw lahat magbubukas ng pinto.
Bakit?
What was that?
O sige, ako na lang
Sound like it
kikilos.
came from upstairs.
What if dapat nag-solo na lang ako? Asan ba yung kitchen? I can go there yet daw. Dito ata yung kitchen. Oh,
Press mo yung te, yung objective sa gilid.
where? I don't have objective sa gilid.
Ay,
Baka tomorrow dyan.
next objective is check out the sound.
I-check out natin.
Why you guys have objectives? Ako wala.
Hello? Hindi
Ooh?
na maganda siya mag-open.
Ako na mag-open. What's this?
Dito ata.
Ha?
Dito ata.
Go back to your room.
A diary.
Now I remember. Okay. A diary daw. The reason I came to my parents' house in the
The
first
diary that I
place,
usually wrote everything.
the diary that I usually wrote everything in.
Where I put it.
Busog ka,
That's
Rira.
why I came here to search for
Cherry.
it. I thought that maybe
Sana all
I could
busog,
find
di
it.
pa ako nakain.
I could finally find some answers.
Kaka-Roblox mo kasi yan
An
eh.
accident occurred and I lost my memory.
Hindi
I
kakauwa ko
have to
to.
find that diary.
Kaka-Roblox mo yan, te. Search for the diary.
Dito. Go, go,
Hira,
go, go.
pause mo.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Hira mag-record ka.
I can't go there yet.
Ayaw, te.
Te, kaya mo yan, te.
Ayaw, I can't go there yet.
Ay, bawal pa pala. Yun yung diary.
Baka nasa baba. Walang
Ay,
sprint.
dito.
Ayan. Ay, ano talaga yan, te? Jaryo talaga yan.
Oh my God!
OA.
Sophie,
Ah, ayan.
was that really you?
Si Sophie.
Si Sophie. Ah.
Here, tayo. Andito agad na. Eto ah.
So yung open.
Ay, nakalock.
Find the key for the basement. Insert the tape. Guys, kinakabahan ako.
Tagal lang ano ah.
Parang ayoko na mag-open ng pinto. Ah.
Sa upstairs na ata to.
Did you guys get the key?
Sa may hallway. Detach. Go ate!
I can't. go
Wala,
there yet.
hindi pa.
Ay, wala pa rin. Ano ba yan?
You're so excited, Jayrang. Sa room daw. Ang liit kasi ng character ko.
Adi.
What's this? Why there is two of it?
Wala.
Wala. Hi, Gabi. Hi, guys.
Ito oh. Di malaki na.
Diba, like, I'm so pandak. Did you guys get it na?
Ito na, T.
Are we going down?
Yes.
It's going down. I'm getting timber. You better move.
What is going on? Is this really happening or am I going crazy?
Over na!
This doesn't make any
Over.
sense.
Guys, F.
Here. Sorry. Open the parents' room. Okay.
Parents' room?
Baka yun na yun. Yung sa hallway.
Guys, ba't parang mas naging scary siya nung ano?
Go, Nini!
Ayun na wala yung flashlight. Oh my god.
Go, BFF! Hello? Ano na?
My parents' room. I haven't been in this room since her death. I just can't accept the fact that they're really gone. It just doesn't feel real and right. It feels like they are still in this room. Watching me.
Wala. Hindi,
Damn!
hindi yan 48
Oh.
hours. It's
Oh, yeah.
already, ano yan, it's 48
hurts.
minutes.
Sophie, oh, my head.
Aray
You-
ko.
In danger?
Aray ko. Ang sakit.
Yes, meron dito. Help. Sino? Sino?
Ano yun?
Ano ba y-
Oh. Tara na.
Guys, alam niyo bang ako lang din mag-isa ngayon dito sa bahay? Like, ang laki-laki ng bahay namin, pero ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay. Like, all by myself.
Baka mamaya ate, may ano na dyan na kulay.
Hey, stop! Tapos, eto ako, ang lakas ng loob ko, maglaro ng horror. Tapos, ganto kalala, ganto nakakatakot.
Muna to. Ito.
Oo nga, yeah, wala pa nga daw. Guys, alam ko, ilalagay na yung tape here.
Doon.
Yung tape, nasaan na yung tape? Ate, dito ate. Pero alam nyo ba? Di ba since, yun na,
Possession by a
since
wicked
I've
entity is
been,
an unusual or an altered
That's-
state of
that's my
consciousness and
father's
associated
voice.
behaviors
What is
which are
going on?
purportedly caused by the control of a human body. The entity, though, hungers for more. In these cases, possession is the first step of a demon's plan. It is said that there are those who return to
Demons?
our world, seeking to
Possessed?
resolve unresolved matters from their previous lives. Things get much worse for the host. From the moment of a first contact with a malicious entity, it's already too late. When a demon attaches itself to a human being, it becomes a parasite of sort. If you want to break the link, I'm afraid this isn't a simple matter. The best way to do that is to obey and help the demon find what it seeks. In the first stages of possession, the demon manipulates its host with visual hallucinations and voices in the mind, destroying the sanity of the host. This is how demons fully exerts its insidious control.
No, this can't be true. I'm not possessed. I better go to sleep.
Wala.
Okay na yun? Hi kay Madam Dre. Thank you for the powerful mind.
No. No! Please! Where am I? What is this place?
Paano nagka 5 hours, madam? Ano yan? Nadadagdagan yung oras niyan, madam Bu, every time na kapag may nagsisend ng gifts. Each coin, ano siya, Wait lang. Ito na yung mahirap, di ba? Ano yung each coin, ano yun? Oh,
What was that thing?
kada coin, Madam Boo, ano siya, nako-convert siya into 30 seconds. Napupunta siya dyan sa
What is
timer
happening?
ko.
Why is this happening to me?
Alam ko ito yung mahirap, di ba? Yung like yung may bulb na ilaw-ilaw.
Oo na eh. Kailangan mo sa stop.
Oo, nalaro ko na to. I dropped this game kasi ang hirap ng part na to.
I'm back? At the basement? But it doesn't make any
Tapos
sense. I don't
tapos
understand.
nababawasan, Madam
What
Boo,
is
yung
happening?
yung
Are those
oras
police tapes?
kapag nagtatap-tap ka.
What happened here? Something's
Ano?
wrong.
Like
This
nagtatap,
radio wasn't here
tinatap mo
before.
yung screen mo. Each like naman, each likes. Nababawasan
Recently,
yung-
there was a brutal family killing. The brutal killing took place while the family was gathered at home on a Saturday
Kaya
afternoon.
tap first screen,
The girl
guys!
heard screams and immediately called the police, saying while she was upstairs, she heard stabs and everyone downstairs
Ba't ayaw
screaming.
mawala yung
After a
bag
while,
ko?
when the police arrived at the place, the parents of the girl were found already dead on the basement. Her dad was hanging from the ceiling and her mother was found dead on the floor with a lot of stabs, while she was found passed out in a bedroom with a stab in her stomach. While the other person's parents that were with them were nowhere to be found, the murderer seemed to got away. The girl's name was Sophie. The police are still investigating this crime.
Di naman, Madam Boo, di ba nag-send
What?
ka ng
What?
hand heart?
A murderer?
Naging 6 hours siya. Ay, naging 7 hours. 7 hours talaga, hindi 6.
Sophie, is that you? Is that your dad? Oh my god.
Kaya nga, Madam Dre, imbis na mag-tap-tap si Madam Boo, nag-send siya, dinagdagan niya. Wait lang yung Reese kasi medyo inaano ko yung yung horror. I love Madam.
What is
I love you
happening?
too, Madam Boo.
This can't be real. Was
Burger
Sophie
ka sa
and my
akin.
parents' death really? I need to find out more.
Grabe guys, tignan nyo, naka-HD ako. Naka-HD ako guys, kaya nalaman natin ganyan pala yung tsura ni Reyra. Ay, sorry.
Ay, wow.
Woo! Why? Bakit May? Bakit May katawan doon? Pero ang Tarya nag-challenge siya. Like, yung Gila challenge.
Oh my God!
What was that?
Hello, be. Patuloy na.
Una na kayo.
Sophie? Is that you?
Hindi.
Something is not right. This wasn't Sophie. Her eyes were black. It's as if something was taking control of her. I must find her. Quickly.
Ano dito, Madam Dre? It's already 8:54 in the evening. Magna-9 na.
A gap. Maybe I can squeeze
Magnanay.
through.
We need daw natin ng... What's that? Screwdriver?
Anong two-type?
Kasi magka-sounds like squeeze through, screwdriver.
Yung logo.
Pero okay lang naman, Madam Dre. Kahit dagdagan nyo pa yan, it's totally fine with me. Ito yung hindi ko magets.
Okay. Saban ko siya to.
Oh.
Diba, lalagyan mo lahat ng bulb.
Yeah, wait lang. Yeah, we need to put some bulb sa mga walang bulb na lamp. And then, kapag natapat yung monster doon, tsaka natin siya ite-turn on.
Oo, ganon. That's me. Ganun lang.
Okay.
Ayun lang.
Control, shift or RT? Shift. Oh, may ano na tayo. May run yan. May ano na tayo. Here's my flashlight. Oh, I got a bulb. Parang hindi makakatulog. Pabalik pala yun. Kasi gusto ko nung umalis. Wala pa nga eh. Hindi pa nga ako nag-uumpisa. Guys, don't follow me. Maghanap kayo. Please. If you really want to end this game, maghanap kayo. Don't follow me.
I got one na. Like that.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! She's there! She's there! She's
Dito
there!
ka, trap niya dito.
Hey! Saan?
Ilagay niyo dito.
Ah,
Dito,
sige.
papuntahin niyo.
Okay. Rera! 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 Ilan ba? Ilan yung kailangan natin maano?
Hindi ako sure eh. Basta dalawa na yung ano natin na on.
So, ang goal natin is to turn on all these lights.
Oo.
Ma-activate
Ayan,
siya once na-open natin yung monster doon.
Oo.
Tama ba ako?
Like na-activate lang yung switch pag malapit na siya dito sa mga ilaw.
Ah, okay. Okay. Dito may nalagay akong bulb here. Nasaan yung ano yun? Ate, naririnig ko.
Luloko ko.
Hindi ako tumakbo. Hindi ako tumakbo paalis. Tumakbo ako papalapit. That's weird.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Okay. Kasi di ba bigla-bigla lang din siya nagte-teleport?
Oo, okay.
Oh my God, mama!
Di nakakalabas yun.
Hala, nakakalabas siya! Hala! Laro! Hindi naman siya nakakalabas doon na ya. Bakit nakakalabas siya, Nige? Eh, may ilaw na, Nige.
Ewan ko eh.
my God. He's here. He's here. He's here! He's here! He's here!
Wala atin yung ano. Pull.
Cool. Okay! I can't. I need to run. No. Mama, no. Paano to ipon? May valve naman na. Madam, Diyos ko. Wait. Mama.
Ate. Diyan ka to na.
Nagulat ako! Kumukuha ko ng valve! Sorry, Miss Riri.
Alute!
Nawala na
Okay.
isa.
Focus.
Parang mas bakit parang bumili siya?
Oo, nakakalabas na siya like... Oh my God.
Ang game name po guys, The Curse. The Curse. Like, curse.
Hindi tayo. Asan mo ano? Kanina.
May nakita.
Ano, sweet? Ay, madam, ang pretty mo. Ang pretty ko pa rin baka sumisigaw. Madam Loki man. Magkag ka pa ngayon, ma. Hindi ko alam, Madam Aiza. Kapag natapos ko tong game ng sakto ng 10, pero parang feel ko matatagalan kami dito. Hi, series. Thank you for the follow. Ayan, may. Isa na lang, guys. Isa na lang. One more na lang. Oh no! Ah! Ikaw pala si Madam Lilith. Yeah, yes, 3
yes.
out of 5 na.
Yes, I am the Madam Lilith po. I am the Madam Lilith of Madam LSR. Ano te? Dalawa na lang.
Oo.
Tara, magsama-sama na tayong tatlo.
Wala na pala yung isa.
Nag-quit siya, Nige.
Ayun lang, wait.
Dito, Nige. Oh! Ano yun?
Dito, te. Ayan o. Ikaw mag-pull ng lever.
Where?
Ayan.
Sabi mo pag pula. Ate, hindi mo sinabing ipupul!
Sabi na i-pull mo.
Hoy, wala kang sinabi!
Nabil mo ba?
Hindi! Kasi wala ka namang sinabing ipul ko!
Sabi ko, ikaw na lang mag-pull.
Sige, sabi mo ako magpupul. Di ba sabi ko, sabi mo sa akin pag ipupul ko na. My God! Tagalog!
Nakakainis. Ate! Di ba po wala siyang sinabing ipupul? Ang sabi niya lang sa akin kanina, ako ang magpupul. Wala siyang sinabi. Di ba sinabi niya sa akin, ako magpupul. Di ba sinabi ko, sabi niya sa akin pag ipupul ko na. Wala siyang sinabi, di ba? Wala kang sinabi. Yan, nag-jumpscare tayong lahat.
Alam mo na nga, ipupul mo ah. Tara.
Anong dagadong? What is dagadong? What do you mean dagadong? Nai-stress na ako dito sa game na to.
Go.
Tita. Ito
Ito
pala.
yun, di ba?
Go
Oh, sabihin mo ah. Sabihin mo pag ipupul ah. Te, wala siyang
Tita.
hindi dito. Wala siyang...
Basta may lumabas na yung toggle, ibig sabihin na nandito na siya.
Sige. Okay.
Teka,
aras
hanapin
na.
ko lang.
Okay po, ate. Perfect. Isa na lang.
Tara lang.
Isa na lang, Nige. Okay, I'm back.
Ate
Tara.
mo lang
Oh, let's find it. Eto, there's a bug here. Hindi may... andyan siya. Hindi may kasi. Sa kapitbahay na, yun dun sa baba, sa kapitbahay namin. Like, parang may dumating ata. May dumating ata sa kanila. And they are so loud. And nakala ko ano nangyayari. And hindi ko naman maririnig yun kasi may noise cancellation. Pero yun nga. Name ng game is The Curse. The Curse. Anong brand ng headset mo? Itong red na to. Freebie lang to eh. Freebie lang to sa sa binili kong... Freebie lang to sa binili kong ano ba yung binili ko dito? Ano ba kasama nito? Eto, freebie siya dito nung sa binili kong mic. Freebie siya. Pero kung yung headphones ko kasi, I have headphones. I have this. I have this. I have the Sony XM5. Ito. I have this. Kaso kasi, ang problem, kaya hindi ko siya nagagamit. O di ba walang Bluetooth yung PC ko? Hindi ko siya nako-connect. And then, maikli lang yung cord na available na binigay sa akin. Na or kasama dun sa sa bag. Yan doon. Hindi siya abot kasi yung CPU ko nasa baba. Hindi ko siya nilagay dito sa may tabi ng table ko kasi makulit ako. Nakita nyo naman, di ba, pag nadja-jump scare, tumatalon. Baka mamaya sa sobrang likod ko, tumaob yung table ko, guys. Di pare-pares tayo. Rhea, what are you looking for ba? Yung
pinaglalagyan ng ilaw.
Andito siya, Nige.
nagbag siya.
Siya na yung
Go
nag-bug, hindi tayo.
Oo.
Sure ka, nag-bug siya. Paano kung nandun sa kanya yun?
Sure ako. Lapitan mo. Hindi sana, hinabol na tayo.
Lapit ka pa nga.
Sige.
Feel ko Naich. Nandoon nga yung last. Kaso how?
Eto!
Saan? Saan? Where are you? Hi, Madam Bew. Hello. Where are you, Miss Rera? Where are you? Kung nag-bug siya, paano natin siya ilulure?
Yun nga problema. Where ka?
Magpa-jumpscare ka, te.
What if ikaw? Ito na lang, Cherry. Pwede ko yung
Ito yung last.
Ayan. Yan, dito.
Halapi 100k. Sige, magpa-jumpscare ka.
Success ba?
Hindi ako sumakses. Hindi ako sumakses.
Yun na, yun
Nawala! Nawala yung toggle niya, ate. Ang intense naman nito. Pininit ko na yung itas biglang nawala.
Di malit. Dumiretso ka.
Nagliko ako kasi kinakabahan ako, ate. Ano yun? Adrenaline rush na yun. Like, I don't know. Parang feel ko, guys, kapag nasa totoong buhay ako dito, parang feel ko tegi din ako. Oo, yung isa namin, ano na siya, ano na isa namin na natuod na siya, di siya gumagalaw.
Ate.
Ay, hindi tatlo. Ano yun?
Okay. Focus. Last na to.
May nag-subscribe ma. Wala ah. May nag-sub ba, guys? Wala lumabas sa akin.
Puti.
Ate, wala, nakakalabas na siya. Oh my God. Wala. Sa ano yan? Sa Heart Me. Ate, nakakaabot na siya dito.
Oo nga eh.
Wow, ah. Go, focus, te. Focus. Matatapos
Focus.
natin to. Go, ako na.
Go. Dapat isa lang mag-on. Kasi mawawala yung target.
Ayan na, Ton. Go, Ton. Ton, why did you do? But why you didn't pull it? Ayun na yun eh! Naklik ko na yung E! Did we? Nagawa ko ba? O
Yes,
hindi?
nanalo ata tayo.
I did!
Ay, di pa pala. Sorry.
Pero ba't nagsalita na siya?
Oo, sabi I can't save yet. So, ito pa talaga, isa pa.
Oh. So hard ah.
Nawawala yung clip.
Oh my god. Ikot.
Go.
Go.
Atay nyo na siya.
Yan! Perfect.
Oh my God.
Ayan, that's the thing.
Grab tape.
Another tape.
Nag-grab na.
Maybe I should listen
Let's
to it.
go.
It may contain useful information like the first tape. But how do I
can't
get
leave
back?
yet.
Why am I here in the first place?
Finally! Diba? Like,
My
nice. Like, guys, proud na ba kayo sa akin?
What is going on here? How did that door bring me back to the house? And is that thing finally dead? Am I finally free?
Go
No,
This
there.
doesn't make any sense. This doesn't feel real.
Saan to sa
Being
baba to, diba?
manipulated? Possessed or whatever? I'm so confused. There's one thing that is for sure. I must save Sophie. Whatever it takes. Whatever that risk may be. I must save her.
Guys, nawawalan na ako ng boses dito. Ayoko na. Guys, wait lang.
A curse is any
Kukuha muna ako
expressed
ng
wish that
tubig.
some form of adversity or
Curses?
misfortune that will
Oh my
befall
God.
or
What is
happening?
attach to one or more
You hit
persons.
the note. Wait
In
lang, I'm going
particular,
to get...
curse
Does my
may
father
refer
have
to
Wala
such
ko
a
tubig,
wish
ubos
or
na.
pronouncement made effective by a
Demons?
malicious entity
Curses?
or a person that
What is
died with
happening?
hatred for someone or a lot of deceased that died with rage. In order to break a curse, well, I'm afraid this is no simple matter. There are lots of kinds of curses and ways to break them. The most common way to break a curse is by exorcising the entity or person that put on the curse on you. While it may seem hard to do since the person is dead, in order to do so, you have to summon the being that put the curse on you and exorcise it. Side note, killing it won't work. The curse will remain since the entity or the person hasn't been exorcised yet. To summon the being, you have to do some kind of ritual. In order to do so, there is another tape that explains the way and what you will need. Good luck.
I have to find that tape. Where could it be, though? I have searched the whole house. I didn't even find the diary. Then what am I supposed to do? Wait. There is one place I haven't searched yet. The attic. How could I forget?
Hala, sorry kung sa akin kayo nagugulat yun. Pasensya. Pasensya
Attic
po.
daw.
Pasensyang tunay. Guys, tap your screen. Guys, tap your screen. Don't forget to share the live. At akit daw tayo, Nige. Kumuha kami ng ladder. Oh!
Look! B!
Game name po, The Curse.
Here.
Where? Ito. Place the ladder, Nige. Hi, Andrea. Thank you for the follow.
Sophie? Is that you? What are you doing? What is this? Why am I suddenly feeling dizzy?
Oh. Guys, we did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah.
Yay! Glow Garden na!
Hala, Nige. Natapos natin siya, Nige.
Di ba? Isang oras din yun.
Perfect, Nige. Totoo, Nige. Isang oras din siya, Nige.
Di ba?
Oh my God.